Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to face WhatsApp call reconnecting problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily solve this problem. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I will be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device. So this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to just open your settings over here. So open your settings, and once you open your settings, all you want to do is to open apps and notifications, and then you click on application settings. Depending on the phone that you are using, at times you might see app management. Now click on that for it to load for your apps. So all you want to do is to scroll to where you can see your WhatsApp. So you just scroll to where you can see your WhatsApp over here. Okay, so just click on your WhatsApp over here. Now once you click on your WhatsApp, you can see storage and cache. Just clear storage and cache of your WhatsApp over here, and then once you are done, you can see mobile data over Wi-Fi. You can see background data. You need to make sure this option is on, and also you need to make sure you go to permissions. So you can see permissions over here. Click on permissions, and you need to make sure you have allowed all the permissions over here. You can see microphone, you can see phone. You need to make sure you allow the permissions over here. Now once you are done, all you want to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, just search for your WhatsApp. Now once you search for your WhatsApp, you can see update WhatsApp. If your WhatsApp is not updated, you need to make sure you update your WhatsApp application. You need to make sure you are using the latest version of your WhatsApp. So update your WhatsApp to the latest version and the problem will be fixed. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new